For 4 consecutive days, the Museum of Tolerance hosted Israel's premier rapid chess competition, the Jerusalem Masters Chess Championship. Top international players came together hoping to win the prestigious competition. Spectators filled the museum's esteemed halls, soaking in the beauty of the setting and the impressiveness of the event. Broadcast worldwide, over 800,000 viewers tuned in online. The Museum of Tolerance promotes dialogue. Dialogue is not limited to words. In chess, players create their unique rhythmic discourse. While rivals, they recognize their interdependency, for without the other, there is no game. The City of Jerusalem, the Israel Chess Federation, and the Museum of Tolerance, alongside the Ministry of Culture and Sport, succeeded to put Jerusalem on the map as a chess competition destination. We are proud to have hosted the championship, and we hope to continue this tradition for many years to come.